Okay, this is mind-blowingly cool, and I gotta hand it to one of the team leaders or LiveGood leaders. His name's Curry. Just a badass, good guy. He's a diamond, which is the highest status you can get. And the next one coming up is Crown Diamond. But I gotta appreciate this. I was watching a video of Curry teaching something to somebody that basically if they want to wholesale or retail products, okay? I know most people that do live good, they want to make money, they want to do affiliate. I get it. But remember, this company is its foundation is there is great products for wholesale. All you got to do is just be a member for 10 bucks a month or 100 for the year. But check this out. I had no idea that you could do this. Okay, let me just shrink my big giant head. Okay, this is my Facebook page. Okay, this is livegood.com. Okay, I'm signed out. If you look up here, see where it says logged in? That means that I'm signed out. So if you guys are doing the same thing and you go to livegood.com, okay, and let me just take you through the journey. That way you can see the beginning state. Okay, here we go. Livegood.com, I'm logged out. Okay, see right here, you're going to see home, products, our mission, our team, shop, and log in. Okay, I'm logged out. I'm going to go to shop. Or, God, I just screwed up. Oh, there it is. I'm sorry, I thought I hit the wrong button. Let's say I just want to advertise protein powder for people. They can look at the price wholesale or retail. Okay, so you hit learn more. All right. Do you see this right here? LiveGood.com, complete plant-based protein. Okay. Now watch what Curry taught us. After the N of protein, you're going to put a forward slash. Okay. And then you're going to hit shift and do the question mark. It's the same button. After that, you're going to do the word enroller. Okay. Enroller, no S, enroller. Then the equal sign. And then you're going to put whatever your username is with the company. My name's Corey Draper, and my username is simply Corey Draper. Okay, you see this. Now, let's just say I want to place ads all over the internet, Instagram, TikTok, wherever, just the protein. Because I agree with Curry. His philosophy is like, look, if somebody looks at this protein and they look at how cheap they can get it, compared to other really high grade protein, which is easily 60 to 80 bucks. This here's 22. But if they get really hooked on this protein just as a member, there's a dang good chance they might just want to be an affiliate too and start making money with this. So, because I blast out a lot of video and other things about being an affiliate, but I am a fan of the products. I'm definitely one of the guys that actually buy and take the products. Why? Because they work well for me, disclosure, and in my opinion, and they're rock bottom prices. So watch this. Okay, what I did is I just added at the end of the word protein forward slash and then question mark and roller equals my username Corey Draper. Now, when I go to Facebook, for an example, do you see right here what's on your mind? When I put that link in and I hit enter, look what pops up. It has the picture of the protein powder. Okay, and if people in right above it, I can put, hey, if you're looking for high grade protein powder for wholesale prices, click here. So see, when they click here, this is what's interesting about it. Once they click it, since it says enroller equals Corey Draper, my username, there's now like it's gooey, sticky. Every time they go to Live Good, I am now attached to them, basically like a little baby sister running down the street. You can't get rid of your little baby sister and you want to go play with your friends on your BMX bike. Okay? So what that means, in I guess as simple terms as I can make it, is that if someone does look at this protein and they want to buy it, of course, they can add it to cart, they can buy it, and of course, I get a chunk of change of that because with the Corey Draper username, that purchase will be a little chunk of change in my downline. Okay, how cool is that? Thank you very much. But the cool thing is if they keep repeatedly, let's say, buying this and other products, and they're like, God, I'm just going to be a member. Let's just upgrade to member. Okay, great. I want to be involved in that, especially signed up underneath me. And on top of that, wonder if they just say, for 40 bucks, I'm seeing this thing here that's the affiliate, and Corey seems to be an affiliate, and I'm starting to hear LiveGood all over the internet. It's definitely in a viral mode. Probably the next 12 months realistically. But if they leave LiveGood and come back, they are still stuck with me, because once they entered that equals enroller, they're now attached to my username, which means if they come back in a month, maybe they come back in 6 months, maybe they come back week after week, because they really sell a lot of this protein. Because remember, a lot of people, they use LiveGood as a place to buy wholesale products to sell retail in their stores at the mall, on the corner, or maybe on Amazon, or you can sell products a lot of ways, out of your garage, out of your back seat. Today I had to sell CBD oil again at a gas station. I had to go to Holiday Oil. I had a friend meet me. And then, of course, I go in and buy me a big-ass dog Diet Mountain Dew. So I was outside. I'm sorry my face looks like I exploded in a can of ketchup. But, man, it was hot today at the truck and car shows, and it was beautiful. But, Curry, thank you. If you ever see this video, or I'll try to write you a note, but anytime a team leader kind of teaches me something that's really meaningful, that I think a lot of people in a downline situation, such as my downline, because you never know. Some people just want to buy the products because they're cheap and put in their bodies. Some people want to resell. And some people eventually, if they just keep coming back, they might want to be an affiliate. But isn't it nice that if they come back once, 5 times, 7 times, a lot of times you read statistics that people don't really join something until they've seen it 5 to 10 times. And it's true. I didn't become an affiliate right away. I was buying the darn products. I was gobbling up the protein powder, and what got me addicted to buying was the Super Reds and the Super Greens. The Super Greens because it matches my cool hat and my bloodshot eyes from being out in the sun and the heat all day. But anyway, thank you, Curry. If you ever do see this video, I really appreciate that advice that you taught me there. And what I'll do is below this video, I'm going to have to use my username as an example, or maybe I can just put in parentheses username, but I want to go ahead and just repeat it one more time. Okay, and you can turn the video off if you have it memorized, but let's just go over it one more time, because sometimes video is just awesome. That's why I love YouTube. Okay, let's just go back out. I'm just going to go to LiveGood. Let's go to the home page. Now see, I'm out. I'm completely logged out. And yours should say products, our mission, our team. All this, disappears when you're logged in. Okay, so I want to just blast out all the products on my Facebook accounts, Instagram, or whatnot. So what you're going to do is go to products. Protein powder is a product. Okay, this time I'll even pick a different product. I'm a really big fan of Super Greens. Okay, so right here, the rectangle, learn more. Click it. Now remember, you always put what I'm going to show you at the very end of this URL up here, okay? So see where it ends in Super Greens? Okay, so you do /, and then you do the question mark, which is the same button. You just press Shift, and then after that you put enroller, 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 and then the equal sign. Don't do the plus sign, it's the same button. Do the equal sign, and remember to put your username, not mine. If you put mine, you're going to give me credit, and I don't think I'll mind, but I want you guys to get any type of downline profit, or if they do eventually want to be an affiliate, you deserve to get that person to sign up underneath you. It's your ad that they came and wanted to maybe purchase these Super Greens or resell them. So look at the very top again. Okay, livegood.com, and remember it ended with Super Greens, /, question mark, enroller equals, and my username. So I'm just going to highlight this whole thing, and let me go to my Facebook page just to show you. Okay, remember right here where you do a post, it says what's on your mind. Highlight it, I right click, I paste, and I'm not going to write anything above it like, hey guys, blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to go ahead and hit enter, and then see, it's right there. And make sure it looks good, and then hit post, and look what happens. Okay. Oh, whoop. Wait a minute, I got to hit enter. Okay. Oh, shoot. There we go. Sorry, guys. I'm doing this live. I don't edit my videos after. So there you go. Right now, there's a nice, pretty decent picture of super greens. And this is my live Facebook page. And sure, my friends don't know what the hell I'm doing. They're probably, I was at a car show all day. You can see I was totally filming fattening burger looking breakfast sandwiches. And I showed a park that flooded up the street from my house. And I brought my truck up to the ski resort where there was snow. And here's my best pal. So I do a lot of personal posting on this. But right now, my friends, they don't know what this is. And let's say I just put a little description that says, hey guys, I got this product. It's wholesale. It's pretty kick-ass. If you got $10 a month, you can buy it. And they go, okay, well, whatever. Corey's always full of crap. Let's just click it. So see, when they do click it, it goes right to LiveGood. And see, they're not an affiliate. They're not signed up. They didn't go through my autoresponder or my capture page wanting to be an affiliate. They just want super greens. And I agree with Curry. If people start buying this for $18, I think they're obviously going to get a membership for $10 a month or $100, obviously, for the year, which you get $5 a month on. And that's kind of cool. It's like they buy you a soda pop and a French fry. But I firmly believe that a lot of people will accidentally just go, gosh, dang it, this affiliate thing, I might want to do it. So, boy, if you can even get 2 or 3 or 10 or 20 people a year just off stumbling into the greens, how I am, because if LiveGood didn't have wholesale products, I would give a 0.0 rat's ass about being an affiliate. I would have never ran into this. I'm not looking for a side hustle. I got plenty of income, and I barely have enough time in the day to do what I do now. But because of the super greens and the super reds and the great pricing, I stumbled into a video and I watched the opportunity, and I'm anti times 1,000 MLM. I seriously am. I'm not trying to bullshit anybody. I can't stand MLM and people asking me about this and that and 2 and 2 and 5 and do this and do that. But when I studied the program and how affordable the products were at wholesale, and how this company's affiliate side is basically based on just a nice, simple $10 a month, $100 a year. Focus on just getting 2. Focus on just getting 2. And just focus on getting people to click a link to watch a little video. And if they want to make a decision and buy products, great. If they want to resell products, great. And if they want to be an affiliate, that's even cooler. Why not do all 3? Because that's what I do. So anyway, thank you, Curry. I think I thanked you 3 times in my video, and that was really cool of you. I'm glad that you taught people that, and it just goes to show how great this company is, because I am not signed up, so to speak, in Curry's group, in his matrix, in his hotel, okay? I share information with other people that I think are helpful. Almost every day I have people writing me. I don't know if I'm more approachable or I look like a goon with a ketchup face from being burnt all day. But I have other people that are signed up in LiveGood, and I know they're not in my downline. And I don't mind if I can help them out. Just point them to a video, or maybe say, hey, just go to support@livegood.com. I don't mind. But I appreciate that. I like how the leaders of this company will share their advice and information in a public forum, like on YouTube. And how cool is that? That's how I learned about Curry. And if you are looking into products or being an affiliate, this is a good example of how it's a win-win-win. Cheap products, they work, they're awesome. Maybe you can resell them for a big profit because they are so cheap. And if you want to be an affiliate, I know you're going to feel good about it. And I think you can really make some nice money in this company, especially since it's only on its 4th month. It's a brand new company. That's the time you want to do this. So, all right, that's enough. I think you guys learned something kind of cool. I'm going to put the thing underneath, and if you think you're going to use this down the road, just bookmark this, make a little folder on your browser that says like LiveGood, and just click and save this so you can just go back, look at the ingredients, look at the little thing I'm going to put under the video, and then you can watch it again. So, okay, take care. All right, watch my next video. Should be right here on my left side of my big giant head. Okay, I really do look like I spilt ketchup all over my face. Thank you, son.